this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. This video focuses on functionality released in version 12.2.1 that runs a check when creating work requests to see if duplicates exist. Why is this useful? Well, it prevents redundant maintenance efforts, which reduces equipment downtime, optimizes the allocation of resources, and avoids confusion and miscommunication. To enable this functionality, the WRTUPL organization option will need to be updated. As you can see in the description, there are a number of options available. The system will check for duplicates based on the organization, equipment, equipment organization, and type. Additionally, you can include a variation of the problem code, failure mode, and symptom to include in the check. Be mindful of which value you indicate. Work requests and work orders meeting all the criteria are considered duplicates, and each field must have a value. So if you want to include the problem code, as I have for this organization, then the field must have a value to match. Let's create a new work request for an engine that is overheating. A couple of items to note. Preventive maintenance work orders and multiple equipment child or MEC work orders are not considered in the duplicate check process. Also, the system only checks the Q and R system statuses, which are for work requests and open work orders. And finally, only work order types associated with the system default, BR, and CAL system codes are included. So here I have my work request. The organization is DTIA. It's for my engine. The type is breakdown, which is a BR system code. The status is work request, which is the Q system status. And I've populated my problem code. Now, when I attempt to save this work request, the system will check for duplicates based on the value of the organization option. So the user will have an opportunity to review the duplicates that were identified. Additional fields can be added to the Data Spy layout, and I also have quick reference to the employee who created the duplicate record. Now, if I determine that my record is not a duplicate, I can proceed with creating the new work request, or if it is a duplicate, I can cancel. There is one additional organization option to be mindful of. It is WRDUPLEQ. If set to on, the system will include direct parent-child equipment in the duplicate check. This could be extremely valuable depending on the equipment structure for your organization. With minimal effort to implement, this enhancement could help your organization streamline the maintenance process by eliminating the unnecessary duplication of work. Check it out, and if you found this video helpful, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.